Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Place. Dans cette leçon, on va voir comment conjuguer quelques verbes du troisième groupe au futur simple. Today, in this lesson, we are going to see how third group verbs are conjugated in future tense. I mean French verbs, third group verbs. Bon, here are some third group verbs. We have écrire, décrire, mettre, battre, permettre, entendre, vendre, tendre, connaître et paraître. Now, note that all these verbs end with the letter E. E. Now, to conjugate them in future tense, what you do is you first take out that E. So let's start with this verb, écrire. Écrire. So conjugate the verb écrire in future tense. First, remove the E. Take it away. So we have j'écrire. I'm not adding the E. Then I add the endings. So let's start. Écrire. Très bien. So I add the various endings. That becomes AI. So this is j'écrirai, which means I will write. Remember, we are treating future tense. Écrire means to write. J'écrirai. Now, that reminds me, we can't say je écrirai, we say j'écrirai. Why? Because of l'élision. L'élision. J'écrirai. Élision. French is a melodious language, and whenever we have vowels clashing like this, it causes a kind of irregularity in speaking. So instead of saying je écrirai, we say j'écrirai. This vowel makes us to take this away, and we replace it with apostrophe. So that becomes j'écrirai. But then, why don't we replace these two and to make it t'écrira? This is wrong. And here is why. We can't replace this because tu is an exception for l'élision. Tu is an exception for l'élision. Here is a really stubborn pronoun. It refuses to let the you away. So we say tu. Tu écriras, irrespective of the vowel clash. Tu écriras, tu écriras, tu écriras. Bon, tu écriras, which means you will write. Now for il écrira. So that becomes il écrira. Remember, we are just adding the endings. Il écrira, which means he will write. And elle écrira, which means she will write. Remember, this is not pronounced, so it doesn't cause any issue. E is not pronounced, you just say elle écrira. Elle écrira, which means she will write. Now for nous, nous écrirons. Nous écrirons. Nous écrirons. Vous écrirez. Remember, we add the endings. For nous, ONS. Nous écrirons. For vous, IZ. Vous écrirez et ils, you add ONC. Ils écriront et elles écriront. Ils écriront et elles écriront. Très bien. So let's see another verb. Remember, all you have to do to conjugate these verbs in future simple is remove the E, the last E at the end, then add the various endings. So let's see another one. I'll take permettre. Permettre means to allow. Permettre means to allow. Permettre means to allow. So to conjugate permettre, I first remove this E. What I have is permettre without E. Then I add the ending, and that becomes je permettrai, which means I will allow. Je permettrai. The same thing for tu, il, and elle. I add permettre without E. Permettre without E. permettre without E, and then I add the various endings. For tu, that becomes a. Tu permettras, which means you will allow. For il, you add a. Il permettra, which means he will allow. Then for elle, a. Elle permettra, which means she will allow. So let's see the other pronouns. For nous, which means we, I do the same thing without e. For vous, I do exactly the same thing without e. Now for il ou elle, the same thing. So for nous, I add the ending for nous, which is ons, and that becomes nous permettrons, nous permettrons. For vous, I add ez, vous permettrez, and for il, I add onc. Ils permettront et elles permettront. Ils permettront et elles permettront. So, je permettrai means I will allow. Tu permettras, you will allow. Il permettra, he will allow. Elle permettra, she will allow. Nous permettrons, we will allow. Vous permettrez, you will allow. Ils permettront et elles permettront, they will allow. So that's that. All you have to do is remove the last letter, which is E, and then add the various endings. So try conjugating some of these verbs, like entendre, which means to hear. Vendre, which means to sell. And tendre, which means to stretch. Try conjugating these verbs au futur simple. Remember, you remove the last E, and then you add the various endings. Très bien. That's the end for today's lesson. On est arrivé à la fin de la leçon d'aujourd'hui et on va se voir dans la prochaine classe. Merci et à la prochaine.